So we have this, but what we don't have is an intro, and I want to make the intro all of myself. So I'm gonna hop into Blender for the first time ever. I've never used Blender before. Language, English, yep. Theme, Blender Dark. Key map, don't know what that means. Mouse select, left. Spacebar action play. Sure, sounds good. New file. What am I trying to do? 2D animation. That's what I'm trying to do, right? It's an animation. Frick, what is this? Oh my gosh, there's so much on screen right now. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, there's a plane. And I mean, like, can I... okay. Alright. No, okay. Presumably, how do I... oh my god, there's just so much happening right now. Import, yes. I'm going to import... Can I import a file? Oh, I need to export it as an SVG. Okay, so let's go back. Download. Nice. Okay, so what should happen? Import SVG, SVG. SVG. Scalable vector graphics. Downloads. Allow. Allow. Oh no. Is it supposed to be in a folder? It's not in a folder. Import SVG. Did it work? Something happened. It's right there. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. How do I make it bigger? Oh no. I don't know if my computer's built for this. Alright. Can I make it bigger? I don't know what to do, guys. Okay, grab this hand. Select this. No, I don't want the box. Can I delete the... Oh no. Scale, transform, annotate, measure, add cube, rotate, move, cursor. This is horrible. I have no idea what's going on right now. Render, output, view layer, scene, world, collection. How big of like is Blender the thing that what? How big am I overdoing this? I think I need to use Blender to make. All I know is people make 3D objects in Blender and like animations and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do. Grab. I want to grab just this. Duplicate objects. Yes. Okay. Can I select? Yes. Okay. We're getting some. Duplicate objects. There we go. Okay. Except it didn't take the yellow. Why didn't it? Oh no. Okay. Okay, we need to take the blue now. Okay, what's going on? The whole no, this is okay. I need to get real zoomed in. I want this part. I also want that. I want this part. I also want that. I duplicate objects. I duplicated the whole thing. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even delete that. Delete X. Okay, X is delete. No, I want to delete the whole thing. Ah, what did I just do? I hit the wrong button. Ah! I don't know what I'm doing. I have a circle on my screen now. No, Command Z. Command Z. Okay, Command Z fixes everything. I can't click and drag. Move. this. I want to move. Wait, no. Yeah, that's sort of what we want, right? We just want the yellow in there. Hold on. I want to fix everything. Can I? Yeah. Okay, we got somewhere, and we can delete. Yeah. Oh, frick. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is working. Nice. We're getting somewhere. Okay. It's taking us 7 minutes to do this. That's crazy. Can I select all of this and then just delete all of it? Yeah. This is what we want. I don't know how to make an animation. Can I... Okay, wait. All of this... Join. What just happened? Go back to the way... Yeah, I want this. This is really hard. All of this? That's not what I want. How do I make them all one thing? Snap? Rotate, scale, transform, cursor, select box. That's not what I... Whoa! What just happened? Alright. Freaking, oh my goodness. Select box. We just want this whole thing. Yes, I want to group. This is what I need. Oh no. I want to link everything. Can I link all of this? It says unlink. I would like to link it. Okay, let's take this. Oh, right. We can't move everything. Can we move everything? Move. Okay, move the whole thing. And then we just need to put it inside. Nice. Okay, let's see now. It's so small. Is there a way to make it... Dude, the stage is massive. I don't know if it's called a stage. This is so unorthodoxly bad. Alright, it's close to being inside of the animation zone. How do I move forward? I feel like I'm playing a really hard video game right now. I want to zoom in. I want to get closer. Oh my gosh. Can I move? This is too hard. Alright. I can't move. Oh, I can move the state. Wait. Oh. Can I... If I go like this, then I can get it closer to me, right? That's sort of... This is awful. If you are a person who regularly uses Blender to do projects, I feel for you. You are a hero, my guy. Did I just try one thing? Oh, freaking, this is so difficult. No, this is the full thing, right? What even am I looking at? What is this? Alright. Scale. Make it 1,000 times bigger. This is not how scale works. Did it get... Now it's just a line. Bigger. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Maybe Blender is not, don't say, the right choice.